party people. Hello. It's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. Look what came in the mail. Now, actually, this has been here since Monday, but we're going to open it and take a look-see. For those of you who don't know, today is Friday. I am going on vacation, and I'm going to be gone from the end of business today, Friday the 13th, until January 6th. So what we've decided to do is we are going to unbox the December, this is December, Bargain Bead Box. And we were going to do a plan video with whatever is in here. However, since I'm going to be vacationing for the holiday, we are going to do another December versus January in January when January comes. So since we don't have January yet, we're going to do December. We're going to unbox. We're going to check everything out. And then we're going to do a plan video. We will use the December plan to do both December and January. So that seems to have been going pretty well. Everybody says they really like it. So we're going to do it. Let's jump down to the mat. Get this party started. All right, guys, here we are down on the mat. Don't mind my messy desk. I gotta clean that. Not today, though. Not today. All right, we're gonna bounce into this. Give that to Bunsen. And we'll take a sneak peek at our business. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Glacial Glimmer. Okay, the Glacial Glimmer is the name of this box. Now, I'm not going to look at this list quite yet because I like to be surprised. So I actually am going to dump this over here, and we are going to get started one item at a time. Let me zoom in, and we will get this party started. Okay, starting with 50 pieces, 4mm brass stardust spacer beads in silver. Now, I have seen these before. They kind of have, oh my goodness, I have so much stuff on my desk. They kind of have this, stardusty little situation going on. Those are very cute. I like those. We have seen these before. Not from Bargain Bead Box, but we have seen them before. Alright, on to the next. 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads, matte white AB. So we've got a strand of crystals. Alrighty. Those are cute. I like matte. $8mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz round beads in ice blue, 7.5 inches. Oh, I love a quartz. I do love a quartz. Those are nice. They feel quite substantial. I see we're going with a little bit of cornflower blue, 6mm agates, dyed and heat treated cornflower blue round beads, 15 inches. Oh, I do like those. Those are very pretty. You can still see all of the agate striations on there. Those are pretty. I like those. Next up, 8 to 12mm blue lace agate faceted cylinder beads. Okay. We love some blue lace agate around here. Oh my goodness, aren't those pretty? Those are a very organic bead. I mean, they're cut, but they're a more organic shape, which I like. I think we actually just sold some like this on Thunderhorse Descendant. So I love that. Love that, love that. 20 pieces, 8 by 10 millimeter English cut crystal rondelle beads in crystal AB. Now these are something new. I think that we have seen these. Ooh, they're blowing my camera out. I think that we have seen these in a smaller version, never in this larger version. And so these are very pretty. I like that. I'll dig it. I'll dig it. Very cool. English cut crystal. Okay. Oh, I love some chip beads. Blue lace agate chip beads, 15 inches. I do like chip beads. I know some people don't really care for chip beads, but I do. I think they're very fun. You can make really cool designs with them. Just makes it look super organic. Depends on what you're looking, what kind of style you're going for. And the blue lace. Very nice. Now we have some 3 millimeter faceted aquamarine heated round beads. Okay, we got a little aquamarine. Oh, these guys are just cute. Very cute. They're definitely on the theme here, I can see. Faceted round beads in Alexandrite AB. Ew. What you looking at? So these are looking like imitation Egyptian crystal beads. And we love that. So sparkly. Okay, it looks like we're going silver. 4-piece 28 by 18 millimeter woven swirl links in silver. Now those are going to be fun. I do feel like we've seen these before. I don't know if that's my imagination, but I do feel like we've seen these before from Bargain Bead Box, maybe perhaps in a different color, but I do like those very much. Put those over there. We have a 7.5 by 11 millimeter crystal chevron oval barrel bead in slate blue iris. That's a lot of things. Oh, no wonder. No wonder it's a lot of things, because they are a lot of things. Now these are definitely something new that we have not seen from Bargain Bead Box before. Very pretty. Love the design. Those are cool. Very cool. Next up, 8 millimeter sea opal glass, faceted round beads, 11 inches. Sea opal. These are kind of like what I would call like a milk glass type. They're kind of, you know, the milk glass color. Those are fun. Six by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in powder blue AB. Ooh. Those are lovely. We've got lots of crystals to work with to go with our icy glacier. Glacial glimmers, sorry. Glacial glimmers. Okay, here we have 1 meter, 4 by 3 millimeter by 6.5 by 3 millimeter hyperallergenic stainless steel Figaro jewelry chain. Okay. Oh, little baggies are getting all over the place. Let's take a look at that. That's quite nice. I always love their chains. Whenever I do use my coupon, it's usually to buy additional chains. I really do like this one. Very cool. And you get quite a lot of it, a meter, right? So that's good. We're going to need that for our designs. 8 pieces, 18 by 16 millimeter woven knot charms. Oh, okay, so these are like Celtic charms. Double-sided, yes. Very nice. Those are cute. And you get 8 of them. I still got things left. 39 by 16 millimeter woven swirl pendant. Okay. Well, I like that. That's very cool. I like that a lot. It's kind of giving me, it's kind of Celtic, but it's kind of giving me like, I don't know, fantasy warrior vibes with its long, being long. That's cool. I do like that. Okay, next up, 30 pieces, 7.5 millimeter dotted star bead caps. Okay, these are bead caps. Okay. I do think we've seen these before, but these will be nice for our designs because we do have quite a few 6 and 8 beads, so we're probably going to need those to add in our little bit of metal. And here we have 3 sets of swirled hook and eye clasps. Oh, now these are new. I have not seen these before. Well, these are definitely going with the pendant, the fantasy warrior princess pendant. So that's cool. I have not seen these before, and we get 3 of them, so that's nice. I would argue these could even be used as bails, so that's very cool. I like those. There's something new. It's always nice when you can get a little something new. And then I think this is the last item here. 20 millimeter blue lace agate and brass point pendant. Okay, so there's that little guy. Very cute. Going with all of the blue lace. All right, so let's bring it all back in. Let me zoom out just a little bit, because we've got lots to report here. Okay. Make sure you can see everything. All right, you guys. So this is Glacial Glimmer, celebrating the frosty beauty of winter with glimmering gemstones and sparkling crystal. Genuine blue lace agate takes center stage with accents including aquamarine, agate, quartz, and crystal beads in icy blue tones. Finished silver findings and elegant swirled motifs complete this collection. Well, that is very lovely. Okay, and we have our list, of course, and they're telling us that the retail value for this shipment was $85.81. Very cool. Okay, so my final thoughts. Let's see. Something I maybe could have done without in this box. Maybe these guys. I could have maybe done without these guys. I mean, I'm sure we'll probably need them for our designs, but compared to the others, I mean, they're, you know, if I had to pick something, I think it would be these ones. I really, something I couldn't have lived without, I think I really couldn't have lived without the pendant. All of the metal in this one is very good, actually. The whole thing is good. The beads are good. But I would say probably this pendant would be my very favorite thing. I do really like that a lot. And I also like that they gave the chips, the chip beads, because it's been a while since we've seen chip beads from Bargain Bead Box, and I really like chip beads, so I'm excited about that. So there you go. This is your December Bargain Bead Box. Now again, we are going to make a plan with this video, with this box. I will make the plans. We're going to come back and do that after this video. And then we will complete the plans starting in January once we get the January box. So I am excited to see what the difference is going to be between December and January. Very interesting. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, make a comment, let me know what your favorite thing in the box was, and I will see you guys in the plan video. Bye-bye.